Hi guys!
Hi.
This is Julia with 5-Star Potties, and today Edward and I will show you how to face paint a Grinch. For Grinch, we're going to use light and dark green colors. I like to start with lighter colors.
I look like a Christmas tree.
That's true. Right, the next will be dark green. A bit darker over the nose. Okay, and then we'll add some dark to the hair to add the depth. Okay, our lip. Oh, so we're gonna go with lighter green under the nose. Okay. Alright, so this is what we have for the background colors, and now we're gonna go ahead with the black paint and the brush. Grinch has big eyebrows, so we add the eyebrows over here. Okay. Okay. Alright. Grinch has black nose. Alright, starts looking like Grinch. Grinch has wavy hair on top. So, alright, and don't squeeze your face, please. Just close your eyes, and we'll add the black definition here. Oh. So we smudged. We're gonna go ahead and with a sponge and fix this, but that happens.
I want a green bear. I'm a green ball.
Touch it up a bit. Okay, Grinch has this line over his nose. Some over here. We have some dots. Alright, so we're going to add green on the lower lip. The next step will be highlight, and I'm going to use yellow. So we'll add highlights to the hair. And on the sides over here. And the highlights with white will be the last part. Alright, and our Grinch is ready. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up
and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.